Today we're going to make a quiz using randomized questions pulled from a question bank. So I have an ACT prep folder. I add the test quiz option. I'm going to call this systems linear equations, and I'll leave it as 100 points. Right now I'm going to make it ungraded. I don't want to sync it to our SIS information system. And now it's time to add questions. So all the questions were pre-made at another date and time, and that would be for a separate video. I'm going to add them from question banks. I want them randomly pulled, so I don't want individual questions. So I already made these in a group. And I'll make that a separate video for that. My ACT prep folder and my systems of equations. So I have 11 different versions, or 11 different banks, excuse me. So I'm just going to select all 11. So that'll give me 11 questions, and most of these have between 4 and 5 different questions associated with them. So you can see in this particular case, I've got 5 questions. It's easy. So I'm going to make this one, pulling one question, I'm going to make it 5 points. And this one's easy. All the easy ones, I'm going to make worth 5 points. And the harder ones, I'm going to make worth 10. So medium, so I have 7 choices here, but I'm still going to just pull one question from each. And the only difference between the medium and the easy in this case is these are work problems. You don't have to choose it this way. You can choose as many as you like. But remember, the whole point of pulling random questions is this way different students will see different questions. So if I change this to 3, that's really telling me every other kid they have a 50-50 chance of seeing a question another kid sees. That's another easy one. So that's only worth 5. All my easy ones, I don't know why I only have 3 choices here, but I can always change that at a later date. And almost done. And then 10. So it adds questions, and that's it. There is my quiz. I want to preview it. So those are my questions. So of question 1 here, there were 5 different versions of that question. So some other child would see a different question here. And there's my 11 questions. So if I wanted to make 12, I could have chosen maybe the one that I had 7 questions on. I could pull 2 if I wanted an even number, something like that. And that is how you make a quiz with random questions.